Appropriations Committee, our guests, Secretary Ping, Aliling. Secretary, you may now proceed with your presentation. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, honorable members of the House Committee on Appropriations and other members of the House of Representatives, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. The Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development is ready to propose its budget for fiscal year 2026, committed to improving the lives of the Filipino people. As the primary government agency responsible for housing, human settlements, and urban development, we aim to transform the housing landscape in the Philippines to realize the Bagong Pilipinas vision of ensuring every Filipino family has a home. Our 2026 budget prioritizes expanding the President's flagship Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program, or 4PH. We added modalities and improved our regulations by streamlining and digitalizing the processes. This budget shall expand the 4PH program, addressing diverse Filipino families' needs and financial capacities. From a single vertical modality approach, we have made our housing program genuinely inclusive by including horizontal developments and revive the community mortgage program to enable informal settler families to acquire land tenure and transform their areas. We are also developing rental housing for the most vulnerable and unprivileged who may not be ready to have the capacity to purchase housing. On our escrow funds, we are being guided by the President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. himself to ensure sound and fair use of the fund. We were instructed to use the escrow funds for direct production of housing units, including the community mortgage program and transitory or rental housing. Building on the success of our Zero Backlog program, we've simplified the application process for the 4PH program, eliminating unnecessary steps and requirements to empower beneficiaries to engage with developers, key shelter agencies for faster home ownership. We will continue to streamline regulatory and permitting processes to better serve the stakeholders. To enhance transparency, efficiency, and to help address corruption, we are digitalizing critical processes. Our proposed budget funds digital platforms, including online application portals, monitoring mechanisms, and e-payment systems. To conclude, the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development and its attached agencies, Pag-ibig Fund, Social Housing Finance Corporation, National Housing Authority, National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, and the Human Settlements Adjudication Commission are united in endorsing our 2026 NEP. For your approval, we will not ask for additional funds. Maraming salamat po.